Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, guys. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a stock I believe that could possibly explode tomorrow if the market goes in a direction that it's anticipating on. As we know, I called out a stock on last night, and that stock did exactly what it's supposed to do on the day. In yesterday's video, you see Tesla. I said this stock could explode. Well, to be clear, I said this stock will print bands tomorrow. I said Tesla was approaching the demand zone, 308, 307 area. If it holds it, it's going to shoot back up. And that's exactly what it did. It did blow past expectations with the reversal. And you notice how they try to be slick. It reversed in that pre-market in the after hours. So by the time it opened up, it was already up a few bucks. Situations like that will make it harder to make that decision because it's in the middle. I mean, in the middle of it shooting back down or going higher. But anyways, good call, good play. The market was kind of tight today, meaning like it wasn't no clear plays like what I like to call out in VIP when it's an A+ setup, very clear. This play right here happened in 30 seconds though. Around midday, I seen SPY. It looked like it wanted to break down. It was trading at 621 ish, and it broke down to 618. And I literally bought at 621, sold at 618. This happened in like 30 seconds, in a minute. If you look on the chart, you can see where when it dropped down to 618, that was like a 5-minute window, very quick. I got up 139% in 5 minutes, and this is what I mean. You want to aim small, miss small, risk a small amount for a large amount. I risked $100 and made $200 in 30 seconds. That's what you want to do. Bump putting 2,000 on the line, trying to make $200 and risking 2 bands, and it go left and you lose 2,000. If this would have went left, I'd have lost $100, and wouldn't have lost that because you'd have cut losses. End up losing probably 20 bucks out of 100, but you gonna make 200. Please make that make sense. That's how you do this. And you have small trades like this, they add up. Don't worry about those big numbers. It adds up. $200 here, you make another trade like that in a day, that's another 200. That's 400 in a day. It's 5 trading days in a week. 200, 300, 150, 400, 500, 600. It adds up. By the end of the week, you up $2, $3, $4,000. You get what I'm saying? It varies between 1K to 4K, 5K. And you shouldn't be trading every day. It's okay to miss a day, take a day off, especially if the setup isn't there. So stock futures tick lower Wednesday night. The move followed a winning day after President Trump denied that he was planning to fire Jerome Powell from his position as a Federal Reserve Chairman. So the stock that may skyrocket tomorrow, and let's pay attention, man. Be careful, be smart. But I called out Coinbase last week, called out Tesla, called out a few other plays. You feel me? Calling out some good calls for sure. So let's remember that because it's going to be a time where I'm going to call out a play and it's not going to do as good. And that's the thing. You got to know how to manage your account, manage your emotions. Every play is not going to make you money. You automatically need to be thinking about losing money when you go into a play. So that way you are already prepared. Anyways, going to tomorrow's super microcomputer, I'll be looking at this. I love the way it held up today, even after dipping. I want to see it hold up above 51. Short-term support, I want to see it hold 53. 53 don't hold. I want to see it hold at least 52.80-ish, the high 52s. If it hold that, this thing could easily go up and possibly break through 54 on tomorrow. 54 short-term resistance shouldn't be hard to break through, especially if it hold up above 53 right here. If it break through 54, this thing could run up to around 60 bucks, guys. Especially if the market is bullish and strong. And SPY push up to around 627, push past that to 630-ish. It could definitely push this. So I have this on my radar. If it break below 52.80-ish and then 51, this thing is going down again. So be prepared for that. The next thing I got on my list is this penny stock. I really don't like to call out penny stocks the day before. I like to find them in the pre-market and at market open. But this right here definitely caught my attention. It's called XX2 or 22nd Century Group or whatnot. You can type that in. This right here has potential. If this bad boy right here stay above stay above $7.60. Worst case scenario, stay above 650. and continue to stay holding up and we see a continuation, this thing could go to 11 quick. After 11, it could go to 17, 18. Be very, very careful with this, though. This is a penny stock. Whenever you get in these small cap companies, you need to automatically think loss first. You're going to lose money if you buy this. Think that. Think that first. But if the money come, plus. So if I was to buy this, I would want to get in on a dip towards 750, 760-ish, 770. I want to hold. If that don't hold, I have a small dollar cost average in with small size, and I buy some more as it drop towards the sixes. 645 will be my max. If it drop below 645, I'm done. I'm gone. Put a fork in it at 640, 645. If it holds above that, I will let this thing shoot up to double digits, 11, 12, between 11 and 17. But like I said, be prepared for the worst with penny stocks. I'm always prepared for the worst. I cut losses quick, and the ones that do what they're supposed to do, I let them do what they do. I sell majority of the position, and I let some ride for crazy, crazy gains of hundreds of percent. Be smart. That's all I want you to do. Be smart. Be meticulous. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BHShow_. Also, don't forget to buy crypto. Crypto is going to be the future. I love you guys, and God bless you.